This is the female restroom. On the previous video we sent you before, the PVC stops here in this corner. And shoots over here, catches this mop sink, and follows this wall back to over here. Now let me walk back over there. Walk, 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 walk. Okay. Over here is the back wall of that water heater and mop sink. It follows this wall, turns over here at the corner, then follows this wall, hits this clean out, then shoots straight through this manager's office. Then I have to walk all the way back around over here. Walk, 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 walk. Back to here. This whole area is that manager's office. Alright. And then the sewer line follows right here where this yellow mop is. And there's another problem right here we can't get past. But on the other side of this door, drops into an old grease trap, which is 2 inches. And there's a clean out right behind that.